A lot of people give up on affiliate marketing because they think they need to make polished videos or be a social media influencer. The truth is you don't. The Affiliate Automation Academy removes that pressure. With its viral content system, you can grow your page by reposting short, proven videos. No camera, no editing, no brainstorming. It's all done for you. This allows you to focus on growing your audience and letting the automation do the heavy lifting. Once people start interacting with your account, the built-in DM automation kicks in. It follows up with your audience, shares your affiliate offers, and helps close sales automatically. You're basically running a business that works in the background. And because the program is designed around high-ticket affiliate products, even a small number of automated sales can bring in commissions of $1,000 or more. So if you don't like making videos but still want to grow online, sign up for the Affiliate Automation Academy today using the link in my description.